In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with N8N AI automation 5 minutes. To follow along, you'll need access to an Asana account and an N8N instance where you can build workflows. We'll start by creating a secure personal access token in Asana, then plug it into N8N so your workflows can talk to your projects and tasks. Begin by opening Asana in your browser and heading to the personal access tokens area in your account settings. If you don't see it right away, look for the developer or apps section. Create a new token and give it a clear name so you'll remember what it's for. You'll be asked to accept Asana's terms, confirm that to proceed. Asana will then generate your token, copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure like a password manager. Treat this token like a password, don't share it or paste it in public places. If it's ever exposed, revoke it from the same settings page and create a new one. Now switch over to N8N and create a fresh workflow. In the node panel, search for Asana and add the Asana node to your canvas. Open the node and where it asks for credentials, choose to create a new credential. Select the access token method, then paste the personal access token you just copied from Asana and save. N8N will test the connection automatically. If everything is correct, you'll see a confirmation that your Asana account is linked. If the test fails, double check that the token was pasted completely and hasn't expired or been revoked. With the connection in place, configure the Asana node to perform the action you need. Pick the resource, such as tasks or projects, then choose an operation like create, update, list, or search. Use the node's fields to target the right workspace, project, assignee, or section. If your workflow relies on Asana events, select the trigger option offered by your N8N version and specify the conditions you want to listen for. Finally, build out the rest of your automation. You can chain additional nodes to enrich data, add filters, or send notifications once tasks are created or updated. Give the workflow a clear name, run a quick test with sample data, review the output, and adjust any fields as needed. When everything looks good, activate the workflow so it runs on schedule or when triggered. That's it. Your Asana and N8N integration is ready to automate your work.